Hello, this is TL Cooking. Today I am going to try out a new pan. It's called a brownie pan. It's made by Copper Chef, and it has a divider, so that will make each individual brownie the same size. Normally I make a 9x9 pan with one brownie mix, but with this pan it's like a 9x13, so I'm going to mix two mixes together. But first, I got to spray my divider. It says to use some cooking spray. So we're going to spray each little individual divider, both sides. And then we will set it aside because we're going to have to put the brownie mix in first before we put the divider in. So let's mix up our brownie mix. So I have my two mixes. Put my mixing bowl. I'm using a fudgy brownie mix. Now, in goes 1 cup of oil and 4 eggs with 6 tablespoons of water. We will put it in a mixer and not make a mess. Mix it all up. Should be all mixed up. Get our spatula. And pour it into our pan. Sure it gets all evenly distributed. Okay. Now it says our divider right straight down and push down. Make sure it goes down to the bottom. So it looks like that. Now our next step is to put in the oven. I'm going to start with around 30 minutes at 350 degrees, and then we will see if we need to bake it any longer. We'll be right back. Okay, my brownies baked for 30 minutes, and I left them cool for 15 as the directions said on front of the pan. So we'll see how they come out. They're a little sticking a little bit here. I don't know if I didn't get enough cooking spray on that. And now the next step is it says to place on a stand. So we will put the stand here, and it should be. There we go. That pan popped out. And let's see if I can get them off of here. And This is our brownie in our new brownie pan. Not bad. We'll have to give them a taste, but as far as perfect brownies, except for maybe if I spray a little bit more, they'll come out all like these. But we'll keep it. This is TL Cooking. Please subscribe, and thanks for watching.